Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to fix third-party cookies on Mac. So, if you're running into issues with third-party cookies on Shopify while using a Mac, you might notice problems with logging in, checkout, or third-party apps not working. This is caused by browser settings blocking cookies. Let's fix it step by step. So, first let's make sure Safari allows third-party cookies. Open Safari's, click Safari in the top left menu, then select Settings or Preferences on older Mac OS versions, then click Privacy tab and uncheck Prevent Cross-Site Tracking, then uncheck Block All Cookies. Also, close Settings and restart Safari. Try accessing Shopify again and see if the issue is resolved. Now, if you're using Google Chrome, here's how to enable third-party cookies. Open Chrome, click the three-dotted icon in the top right corner of the screen, then go to Settings and navigate to Privacy Search and Services or Privacy and Security. Now, scroll down and click on Choose what to clear under Clear Browsing Data Now. Now, click on Cookies and Other Site Data, make sure this is checked and click on Clear Now. And check if your Shopify checkout and third-party apps work now. After doing this, step 3 is fixing third-party cookies on Firefox on Mac. So Firefox has strict tracking settings that can block Shopify's third-party cookies, so let's adjust them. Simply open Firefox, click the three-line icon menu in the top right corner of your screen, click Settings, then choose Privacy and Security just like we did previously. So under Enhanced Tracking Protection, select Standard. Scroll down to Cookies and Site Data and click Manage Exceptions and enter shopify.com and click Allow. Now restart Firefox and test a Shopify store. If the issue persists, try using a different browser. Now, if the cookies were previously blocked, your browser might still store old settings. Let's clear them. Open Safari, Chrome or Firefox, go to Settings, then navigate to Privacy and Security, click Clear Browsing Data, select Cookies and Other Site Data and Cached Images and Files and click Clear Data and restart your browser. Try Shopify again and see if the problem is fixed. And that's it. By adjusting your browser settings, you should now be able to access Shopify without third-party cookies issues on Mac. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Shopify fixes. See you in the next one.